We have opioid overdose user on one side and we have naloxone carrier on the other side. In between there is a wall. The goal of this project is to break the barrier, which is going to result in less time to deliver the drug by leveraging crowdsourcing and make it cross-platform. We have the opioid user and there is a victim's friend who calls 911, which is highly reliable system. We want to leverage the existing system. The request comes to system green, which connects various individual entity into one single entity. For example, it connects EMS cops, volunteers and then pharmacies. In addition to that, we are going to add drones and hybrid drones, which is like drones on top of EMS and cops vehicle. Let's look at the user experience lifecycle. Initially there is an opioid overdose, I believe is non-functional. Victim's friend calls 911, which is a highly reliable system. If it's suspect this is an opioid overdose, then the request is forwarded to system green, which is a black box. It does two things. First, it sends an SMS to the user. By clicking on the link, the user can view the live updates. Second is 4-digit code to the user. There's a dispatch module inside the system which does the primary notification. It finds the quickest delivery time. Depending upon the scenario, it chooses between EMS, drone or hybrid. And there's a secondary notification which notifies volunteers within 20-mile radius. Volunteers can respond to the request or ignore. Then the help comes either in the form of drones or EMS or hybrid. I click on the app. First I see the home screen which says welcome to M-Saver, and here I have the option to swipe. So it talks more about this app. It says like if I'm within 10 miles radius, I just get notification and I have a choice whether to ignore or respond to it. And next page says how this app works. First I need to register, then I get notification, then I can save life and earn points. Also it says that I should be over 18 years and should be capable of administering the drug. If I have any questions, I can go back and read this. And the last page is, it talks more about the opioid overdose. Just a video.
Before we can explore your brain on opiates, we need to understand a few things.
You can just forward that.
Problem, because opiate receptors peppered throughout the body.
To get some clarity. So assume I'm a new user. I click on new user. Then I say I'm over 18 years. And then I'm comfortable administering the drug. And I'm saying I'm volunteer once I register. Next time when I come, I say I'm already registered user. When I click on this, it's going to give me a dashboard of how many lives I've saved and how many lives the app has saved. So I click on this, and also it shows the reward points. This screen is just to motivate user to save life. So once there is an opioid overdose, I get a notification via SMS. Once I click that, this is what I see on the app. It has a pin and also it has a location of where exactly is the opioid overdose. If I click on this, it says like opioid overdose needs help in 5.3 miles away from my current location. Assume I respond to this request, take the drug and move towards this location. This live status is what the user will be saying from the other end. You'll see a drone arriving, and also it will tell you like how many seconds is there for the help to arrive. This is just a model of a New York where we have a CVS pharmacy and we have big buildings, and after 2 or 3 avenues we have the home which requires help. We have the drug naloxone at the back of the drone, and if it is the normal way, then it has to take the route like 20 miles per hour. It's a one way. There can be traffic jams. Whereas our system, what it does is, it has to find the minimum time to deliver, and in this scenario, it chooses a drone. We use programmable drone to go to the desired GPS location. The software is Arduino, and this is the architecture, cross-platform architecture of the mobile app. Thanks.